We are going to learn about this kanji. This kanji have the reading of onyomi hyo, and the kunyomi is say omote, or alawasu. The onyomi hyo is from the original Chinese sound, and for the kunyomi is the Japanese sound. Omote. This kanji have the kunyomi two sounds. As you see here, omote or alawasu. And for the red hiragana, that's mean when you use with the kanji, is still have the su with the kanji. And this kanji had the meaning of surface, table, chart, diagram. So when you learn this kanji, you should know the meaning of this kanji. So just surface, table, chart, diagram. It has quite many meaning. So you have to remember. The next, let's see some example of how to use the kanji. The first word, hyoji. Hyoji is mean indication or expression. Indication or expression. Happyo is mean announcement or publication. Announcement or publication. When you present your graduation research, you can say happyo in Japanese, or if you have the presentation in some place, you can use happyo, which means you are going to present about your contents, about your exam. The next, hyome is mean declaration, indication, expression. It has three meanings: declaration, indication, expression. But when you translate to English, you should translate which word you choose, and you just focus on the meaning of the word. Hyome, happyo, hyoji. The next, omote. Omote is mean surface or face. As you see here, they will say, for example, which visible side of an object, front of a building, something like this. Say omote. Alawasu is mean to reveal, to show, to express. So when you want to show something, you should say alawashimasu, something. Alawareru is mean to appear, to come inside, to appear.